Step by step he leads my way.
Every day I stop to pray.
Hand in hand through night and day,
I'll walk with Jesus. Hooray, hooray!
I'll walk through trees so tall and green, birds all sing the sweetest scene. Jesus smiles and says, don't fear, I'm with you, my child, I'm near. Kids march or tiptoe through the forest, waving arms like trees. Step by step I walk in love, guided by his light above. Left foot, right foot, clap, hooray! Jesus walks with me each day. March, clap, spin, point upward when saying light above. Footprints dancing in the sand, Jesus takes me by the hand. Waves go whoosh and seagulls sing, we praise the Lord, our mighty King. Wiggle fingers like waves, flap arms like seagulls, clap to the beat. Step by step I walk in faith, trusting God in every place. Left foot, right foot, jump and play, Jesus walks with me today. Stars above and skies so wide, angels cheering side by side. Golden road so bright and true, Jesus says, I'm proud of you. Spin, wave hands like shining stars, make heart shape with hands. When I fall, he lifts me high, wipes my tears, helps me try. Every step I'll shout and say, I'll walk with Jesus every day. Step by step he leads my way, faith and joy in all I say. Clap your hands and sing hooray, walk with Jesus every day.